Hey, welcome back to Scotty's World. We're here with the Conscendo, the aftermath. I mean, the main damage, I snapped the wings myself. They were completely together. Actually, no damage on the wings beside where they connected. This was off, detached, or you can still see it's still connected. The wings got ripped off from the connectors. I mean, for running 4S, can't complain. It handled it pretty good. I was about 3/4 speed coming out of a loop, and on the way to pull up out of the loop, there was no elevator at all. Just too many G's. I shouldn't have been on the throttle. Just got a little excited. Pilot error, or maybe elevator error. I couldn't check it after. I think it was obviously a dead elevator. I had no control over it. But it's part of the hobby. Sucks it was my favorite one. Definitely gonna buy another one. This is what's left over. We got the motor, one servo. Like I said, it took it pretty good for going into it about maybe at 60 miles an hour. Carbon fiber spar broke, but kept it. This is all intact from here on out. Perfect condition. It's crazy. Until the next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.